Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will be talking about the Atrium DAO. They'll be launching their incentivized testnet for diffusion, and this is the first staking basket on Cardano. So the testnet users will be able to receive Atrium DAO tokens for trying out a few tasks in the application. So the testnet will last until April 5th, 2024, and users are going to receive their token in due course. Let's get started with the steps that will enable you to join the testnet. So the first step is how to set up your testnet wallet. So you have to first of all set up our wallet. In this tutorial, we are going to be using the Eternal browser extension. So you can also use Nami, you can use Lace, or even Flint browser if you have them. Install this browser extension to your Chrome store. As you can see, it's already installed now. So the next step is to create a testnet wallet. Maybe you have already have a mainnet wallet if you are a frequent Cardano user. So, but for this, you have to switch your wallet from the mainnet to the preview network. To do this in the Eternal browser, click the button on the bottom right hand of the corner that says mainnet. Scroll down the option and choose the preview testnet from the list. Then when you click on it, the button that said mainnet will now be previewed. Then the next is to add your wallet. So create a wallet by clicking on the add wallet button. Give your wallet a name. Write down your seed phrase as you normally do. When you are finished creating, you can see your wallet in the left-hand side menu. So after this, you will need to grant access to the DApp connector. In the same place as your wallet, you see where the roads DApp browser. Click on the button labeled DApp browser. Then choose connect account from the top menu. Then connect your new wallet from the drop box. Click on connect as DApp account. So we are good to go. Let's get some ADA in our wallet. You have to visit this link. It's going to be in the description box. When you click on the link, put in your address, the address you want to send the form. So for you to get the address, go to your Eternal wallet. You can see it here. Click on receive to copy your address. So once you copy the address, paste the address on this form. Click on I'm not a robot. You can ignore this API key. Now you should have some funds in your testnet wallet. So if you want to get more funds, you can come back every day and claim 10,000 ADA. So as you can see my own, I have 10,000 ADA in my wallet already. That's it with the setting up. So you can now go over to Atrium. The link will be in the description box too. Then you connect your wallet and see the Eternal wallet. Then it's verifying the network. It's loading wallet. It is open. There are some tasks you are going to be doing here. These are the tasks that you are going to do. You follow them on Twitter and Discord. Then the task 2 is to send some TADA to another member in their Discord using the Atrium send and receive feature. Task 3 is to deposit the TADA into the testnet Diffusion staking basket. I have a lot of tasks that we are going to do here. So you can go to our Twitter account to get the whole tasks. I'll be posting the link in the description box, so you can go there and see the tasks you are going to do and complete the tasks. The final step is to complete this form. The link to the form will also be in the description box, so you click on the link, then complete the form, and that is the end. I hope you got value from the video, so see you next time.